welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, as you know that the FIFA 2022 World Cup in Qatar is on way, and I have brought you a website which you can live stream FIFA World Cup 2022 matches for free on high definition from anywhere from in the world, because the other day someone told me that Geo Cinema is working and it live streams football World Cup matches 2022. So I tested it, and in Pakistan it isn't working, my friends. They don't send you the OTP. Also, there is no OTP required on this website. It's called ptvsportstv.com.pk. The link is in the description box, my friends, so check it out. So I am on the website. I'll go to live, and as you can see, something is being streamed right now. I will cross the music, and it's a sports event or something, but it's not soccer, my friends. Yes, it is soccer, but I don't know if there is a match going on. So I'll write down FIFA World Cup, and let's see if there is a match right now ongoing. No, there is no football matches right now, so you can check out the match timings from Google. Just search FIFA World Cup and they will show you the exact timings of the matches, and then you can tune in to this website and watch the World Cup matches live. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me in the comment section below what do you think about this. Did it work for you or not? Also, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar to get more updates. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.